Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys poco phone setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you check your app updates in your poco phone device guys. You want to check guys your app updates and guys you want to update any app. So guys, how can you check your app updates and guys how can you update your apps? So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys first of all guys on your mobile data and guys you have Wi-Fi. So guys first of all guys connect your Wi-Fi network guys, it is good. So guys after that guys what we have to do guys, we will have to click on guys your play store setting. So guys we will on play store and guys click on guys your id, and guys you can see guys your manage apps and device setting. So guys tap here and guys you can see the second option update available. So guys you can see we have update. So friends you can check your app updates from here guys when you want to update any app. So guys you can check from here guys update available, and guys which app guys you want to update. So guys you want to update, so example guys I will take this one, and guys you can see this update option. So I will tap here to update. So after that guys it will update guys, you can see 100% and update. So guys I will give you advice guys, you want to update any app. So guys connect Wi-Fi guys if you use your phone by net. So I if you have guys your 1 GB data and guys 2 GB data, then guys you can update, otherwise not. So guys you should connect Wi-Fi network and guys update your apps. So like that guys you can check your app updates, and guys you want to update app. So guys you can update in your poco phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to update apps. So that's it guys, and guys how to check apps. So bye bye friends, we will meet on next video. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.